Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and I am standing in front of one beautiful 1969 Camaro. It's got a 468 big block in it, beautiful houndstooth interior. You're gonna love checking this one out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna put it up on the lift so you can check out the underside. We're gonna look at the interior. We're gonna look at this board motor. We're gonna take a look in the side trunk. We're gonna show you everything you want to see so you can make a great decision on this Camaro investment. So come on up and we'll take a nice close look. Black 69 Camaro time, man. This thing is beautiful. The black paint is amazing. The chrome looks good, the chin spoiler. Look down the side of it. You guys know that a black car had better be straight, and I tell you what, the paint job on the car is straight. She's beautiful. Love the white hockey stick going down the side. The stock appearing wheels, great looking trim rings. The rocker molding looks good. Doors operate nice and smooth. The door jambs are nice and clean. Looks like the rubber was replaced. The door panel looks good. Carpeting's in beautiful shape. There's seat belts in the front and the rear. That houndstooth interior really gets them, man. That really looks sharp, especially in a black car. Headliner's in good shape. The dome light's even working. Check that out. And then take a look at that staple shifter in that center console there. They've got the gauges there in the center console also. The dash itself's got the wood grain on it, looks great. The gauge faces look good. The dash pad itself's in beautiful shape. That SS steering wheel looks awesome. The vinyl top's in great shape. It's got the spoiler on the back, chrome bumper. The trim on the tail light looks good. The back panel here is all flat blacked out. The SS emblem looks awesome. Inside the trunk, look at that. We got the battery mounted back here. Looks like brand new coating in there. The wheel wells are nice and tight. The back sides of the quarters are nice and clean. Bottom side of the deck lid, all the paint work there looks phenomenal. All the lips here on the deck lid are in beautiful shape. The gutters are all nicely painted. When you look down the side of the car, again, that black paint looks like a big old black mirror on there. Nice and straight. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, right now we've got about 240 cars in stock and we're bringing in about 40 every month. Now, I personally rubber stamp every car that comes in here, so I work with the buy team in purchasing all these vehicles. So what that means to you is you're getting my 35 years of experience putting your dream in your drive. All right, 69 Camaro time. Beautiful black car here. Driving great, sounding great. And you know what? We can park this dream in your driveway no matter where you live in the world. Just give Tom a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you everything you need to know about this car. If you have any questions, you want any additional pictures of it, feel free to call Tom and he will take care of all that for you. And if you need help with financing, we can help you out with financing too. Takes a quick phone call from the banker and we get this dream parked in your drive. Now Tom will take care of all the paperwork for you. You need to do nothing except make a phone call. Now about 95% of our customers buy sight unseen, but we do invite you to come to the shop, please. We'd love to have you. We're close to the airport if you need to fly in. If you'd like to drive in on a Saturday, we're here on Saturdays. Whatever's convenient for you. If you want to send an inspector, we will treat the inspector just like we would treat you. You You want to get the car up on the lift, check it out. You want to go for a little test drive, just call Tom, let him know you're coming. We do have 80,000 square feet of indoor storage, so we do occasionally have to move a few cars to get your favorite car out where we can get at it and you can take a good, solid look at it. See, there's all kind of building going around here in Michigan. Listen to that exhaust. Sounds awesome. The car's running great, feeling great, looking beautiful. Every one of these people out here walking and driving around or cranking their heads around and checking out this beautiful black car. Now you can see down here on the dash that the tack is working, the speedo is working. It's got an aftermarket radio in it. Then it has the gauges down here on the center console. Dash pad looks good. Just an amazing ride here. Sneak up here beside this semi and get out. Traffic's crazy today. All right, here we go. I'll tell you what, you got no problem merging in traffic with this beauty. She's making horsepower, sounding great. I'll tell you what, Camaros are some of the funnest cars out there. Now, we're here at 15100 Keel Street, Plymouth, Michigan. Get up here to the shop, we'll check it out. Now you gotta stick with us because we're gonna get the car in the air now so you can check out the underside. We're gonna pop the hood, take a look at that big block. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision. Now here's our shop right here. So stick with us, we're gonna get it up in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath this Camaro now and she's pretty under here too. You can see a brand new tank. We got a chrome cover on this 12 bolt, right around a 307 gear in here, and it is Posi. You can see it's got some 2.5-inch exhaust. It's brand new. The bushings look good here on the springs. Looks like the shocks are fairly new too. On the brakes, the guys will pull those all apart, make sure they're in good working order. On a Camaro, the first thing I look at is I look at the frame right here, where these two pieces of metal are welded together. You can see this frame's in good shape. It does look like the gas line was replaced at one time. I see some bright, shiny metal there. Floorboards look original to the car and they're in beautiful shape. The pinch weld's in good shape. Bottom side of the rocker's nice and clean. We got a turbo 350 trans in it. Looks like we got 3-inch pipe going from the motor back to the mufflers there. Closeout panels on the trans, nice paint on the bottom side. We do have disc brakes up front. These hoses and the hardware all looks like it's new. The bushings are in decent shape here. Ball joints look like they were changed at one time. Cross members in good shape. Core support's in good shape. That's another thing to check on every one of these cars. Core support's one of the first things to go. It's got an aluminum Griffin radiator in it. That's an upgrade. That's a cross flow. The chrome on the front bumper looks good. Chin spoiler's in good shape, and the black paint right down to the bottom edge looks great. Now let's look at wheels and tires. All right, up front here, it looks like we got brand new BFGs on some great looking rims. Trim rings look good, center caps look good, 215 70-15s, and this car's had some stone guard applied to the bottom edge here, which is sweet. And the bottom side of this rocker, it's beautiful. Let's get on the rear. All right, out back here, 275 60-15s, same good looking rims, trim rings. Always check this lip in here. Feels nice and clean back there, guys. Beautiful down here. I see some spot welds here. Gorgeous car. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we've got a 468 big block. This baby's been bored out. It's got a 750 Holly on it. It's got a real neat setup here on the pulleys, all billet aluminum. The water pump is aluminum. The alternator's been polished up. It's got an Edelbrock intake on it. It's got a great set of valve covers, air cleaner. It's got power brakes, power steering. I can see new bolts down there in the shocks. They look new. It's got an MSD distributor and MSD spark box. Looks like some brand new spark plug wires too. The car's got headers on it. This is an amazing ride, guys. She's a Camaro. She's got a big block. She's been rebuilt. It's black. Houndstooth Interior. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.